Hi everyone, my name is Mehul Agarwal and in this video I am going to talk about my LRDI strategy for CAT। तो LRDI एक ऐसा सेक्शन है जिससे बहुत सारे लोग डरते हैं and this is one section where a lot of people score very less and if you do well in this section then you can get a few extra marks for yourself which will boost your percentile up by a lot. For me, I thought LRDI is one of those sections which I am very good at, but at the same time, it was one section which I was the most inconsistent with. In some mocks, I scored a 99 percentile plus, but in others, I was very inconsistent and I scored not even a 90 percentile. And I panicked while uh, doing the section. So in the next slide, I'm going to show you what my scores was in the two attempts that I took at CAT, and by seeing that you'll understand how changing my strategy in the second attempt made me score much higher. In 2018, which was my first attempt at CAT, I got 32 marks in LRDI, which amounts to close to 95 and a half, 96 percentile. I was aiming at a 99 plus percentile in LRDI because this was the only section where I had scored a 99 plus percentile in my mocks when I was preparing for CAT 2018. And because I had a high aim, what I did was that I attempted a lot of questions while taking the test in 2018 without actually focusing a lot on my accuracy. I attempted 19 questions and got 7 wrong out of those, which is why my score was 32 only. While preparing for the test in 2019, I had a similar strategy in the sense that I wanted to attempt a lot of questions, but at the same time, I want to cover up my mistakes of making a lot of silly errors and picking the wrong sets. So that was a change I made in my strategy, which I'll go into more details into the next slide. In the test in 2019, I was able to attempt 26 questions and scored 74 marks, which was 99.94 percentile. This was the section that helped me boost my overall score to get a 99.95 overall in CAT. And in the next slide, I'll give you four simple commandments that I followed for this section. I've made a similar video for quants, and I've made another video for my overall CAT strategy, which is available on the SetKing channel on YouTube, which you can go and see for yourself. So these are the four simple commandments that I followed for my LRDI preparation journey. They are: one, set selection is key; two, डर के आगे जीत है; three, timed practice is important; and four, you need to believe in yourself. Going to the first point, when I say set selection is key, when I was preparing for the test in 2018, क्या हो रहा था कि I was not actually selecting the sets. I was going through them one by one and solving them if I thought they were easy and then going to the next one, which meant that at the end of the paper of the 1 hour, I hadn't checked all the 8 sets, जिससे कुछ बार ऐसा हो रहा था कि इजी सेट्स जो लास्ट में है वो छूट जा रहे थे. Secondly, I was wasting a lot of time on doing sets or trying to do sets which are difficult. So sometimes I was being able to solve them, but at the same time, the time that I was spending on solving these sets was a lot, and which did not make sense at all because you're trying to maximize marks per minute. So while I was preparing for 2019, initially I thought, okay, I'll stick to the same strategy because I was getting more than 99 percentile a few times. But I wanted to do that very consistently. And to do that consistently, I realized that I need to go back to a binary approach. And by going back to the binary approach, I made a very tough call, which was that I will do set selection no matter what. And set selection as a skill is something that I want to nurture for the next 2 3 months before I actually go into CAT. So what I started doing was that I spent 1 hour every day on solving one entire LRDI sectional. And when I solved that sectional, after that 1 hour, I analyzed only one thing very specifically, which was my set selection. So of the 1 hour sectional, I spent the first 7 8 minutes on picking the sets. I'll tell you how I picked those sets after this. So after I picked those sets, I solved them, and after the 1 hour was over, I spent time on understanding whether the sets I picked or not were easy or difficult, and whether I was making a error in judgment of picking sets. So how I went about picking those sets was that one, I looked at the amount of data that was there in these sets. Two, I looked at the number of variables that were these in the set there in the sets. So what I mean by variables are कि डेटा ऐसे बहुत रहता है सेट में, लेकिन कौन सा डेटा ऐसा है जो सेट में हमें दिया हुआ नहीं है, which we need to find out to be able to solve the questions. And the third thing that I looked at was the questions. Are the questions easy compared to the number of data that is there in the set? Or are the questions giving me more data that I need to incorporate in the data that I already have? So these are the three things that I mostly looked at, and I made sure that I'm going through all the 8 sets. And after reading each set for 45-50 seconds, I'm making a call on whether I want to attempt this set as an easy set, or whether I want to mark it as a moderate set, or if I want to mark it as a difficult set. And then after I had given all the 8 sets a sequence, I went to them one by one, going from the most easy set to the most difficult set and solving all 8 of them, or as much as I could in the 1 hour time that I had. This was my set selection strategy. The second point is डर के आगे जीत है. So during a point in my preparation, when I was not scoring well in LRDI, what I realized was that I'm getting very scared when I'm actually going to solve this section. मुझे डर लग रहा था कि if I'll be able to score a 99 percentile or not, because I wanted to score a 99 percentile in this section to get a 99.5 plus percentile score overall, which was my initial target. And because I was getting too scared, डर रहा था, तो अच्छा स्कोर नहीं कर पा रहा था. So you need to put that डर behind you. I know it is easy to say, but you need to take a very very robotic approach. कैट पूरा इमोशनलेस एग्जाम है. इमोशंस छोड़ के इसमें यू नीड टू फोकस ओनली ऑन योर स्किल, ओनली ऑन योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट एंड स्ट्रैटेजी. सो डर के आगे जीत है. यू नीड टू स्पीक टू योर सेल्फ, यू नीड टू कन्विंस योर सेल्फ कि डरना नहीं है ये सेक्शन को लेके, और बिना डरे अगर करेंगे तो स्कोर ऑटोमेटिकली बूस्ट होगा. Third point is timed practice. Like I mentioned in the set selection is key wala point, that whenever I was practicing for LRDI, all my practice was timed practice. I never practiced questions randomly. Whenever I practice questions, I practice them as a set and time करके करता था, because that is how the test is going to treat me. Cat may be timed होके होगा, so here I thought I should time myself. Also, one other thing is that there are a few questions that are very difficult in nature that cat will throw on you. But what you need to do is you need to identify those difficult questions as well, and your job is to just leave them. I never practiced for any difficult question. What I did was that I made sure that I know which question is difficult and I know that I have to leave these questions. So this is something that you need to do. And fourth point is applicable for all sectionals that you take for the entire test. You need to believe in yourself. तुम्हें लगता है तुम जितने प्रिपेयर्ड हो, तुम उससे ज़्यादा ही प्रिपेयर्ड हो. सो बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ एंड आई एम श्योर दैट यू विल डू वेल. So let's do it. There are more videos on the CK Set King channel which you can go and see, which will help you prepare for CAT better. So all the best for the journey. Thank you.